I'm going to be unboxing my brand new iPhone 15. It's the newest model. I pre-ordered it. It's supposed to come out in 2025, but Apple sent me one now. It includes the iPhone itself and the earpods, which are like the headphones. It's a 64 gigabyte phone. 64 gigabytes. And yeah, let's get into it. I got my box cutter so I can cut the tape off. Looks like there's about 4 pieces of tape. Gonna cut those. Alright, time to open it up. Looks like the top comes off. It's very nice packaging. Yeah, look, it comes off really nice with the top and stuff like that. Alright, first thing I'm going to get into is this on the top. Put that off to the side, put that off to the side. So this just says designed by Apple in California. The first sheet, welcome to iPhone, just like tells you the controls and stuff. Shows you how you can turn stuff on. Alright, here's some nice stickers you can put on it. On stuff that comes with your iPhone. Finally, just a little user guide. Shows you all of like the safety and warranties and stuff like that. Not too cool, but it all came in this little thing, which I showed you earlier. Time to get into the good stuff. Alright. I don't know if you believe me, but this phone looks amazing. Are you ready for this? Oh my gosh. Look at how cool this is. Holy. Look at that right there. That is the most beautiful phone I've ever seen. Got the nice keypad right there. It's high tech right here. We got all the arrows and stuff like that. Send button, volume. There's even a very high-tech camera on this thing. I mean, see when I close it? Look at the camera right there. I mean, this thing. I got the nice red color. Crimson red. It's just amazing. We got the nice screen right there. The only bad thing about this iPhone is that it doesn't come with a charger in the box. So that's the only bad thing about it. Okay. I'll explain that a little more later. But now, here are the earphones that go into this iPhone. Very nice, very nice. So it looks like, take out this little thing. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a little headphones thing on it. I'm just going to open that up quick. So you open that up, and you plug it right in there. Alright, there we go. So, more with the phone. Volume buttons on the side as well. What does that say? Oh, music. So you can turn the music on it. That's that button. What is this? Oh, that's charging cable thing. So you can get to the camera. That's that button. Get to the camera. Finally, you can put an SD card in right there. Now this thing is really high tech, so I really won't be needing my iPhone 6, so we don't really need that anymore, so I hope you guys buy the new iPhone 15 when it comes out. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye.